Boys and girls, welcome to our next math lesson. This math lesson is not a math story. Can you believe it? I know we've been doing so many math stories, but this one is not. Okay, before we start though, I'm going to show you what you're going to need. You're going to need a pencil. You're going to need some paper. You are also going to need your math tools, okay? But today we're going to start using our math number cards. If you did not make number cards, you need to stop right now and you need to go make some. You can see there's small pieces of paper with the numbers on them. You're going to need them for the lesson today or else you can't do the lesson, okay? We don't need all of them. We only need numbers 0 all the way up to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I'm going to take out all the ones I don't need. 24? Nope. 23? Mm-mm. 22? No. What do you think? 21? Nope. No. 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 Nope, too high. How about 14? No, too high. That's higher than 9. 13? No. 12? No. 11? Nope. 10? Nope. 9? Yeah. 8? Yep. 7? Totally. 6? Totally. 5? Totally. Where are my other ones? Do I need 4? Yep. 3? Oop. And 2? And 1? I do. Oh no. I don't have a number 0. So I need to stop and make the number 0. I made it. Did you make yours? I think all of you will probably have to make a 0. I think I forgot to tell you to make 0. So we're going to need these for our lesson today. All right, now that we have our tools ready, we're going to jump into the rules of the game we're going to play today. Before we jump into the rules though, we need to know what our goal is. What are we trying to learn today? What are we learning? I'm going to read it in Spanish and in English so we really understand. All right, so today our goal says we can add 3 numbers together by changing the order to make it easier. O en español, podemos sumar 3 números juntos cambiando el orden para que sea más fácil. Okay? So we're going to be changing the order of our numbers. Normally, we've only been adding 2 numbers together. Today, we're adding 3. But you guys are so up for this challenge. I'm really excited to teach you. So our first step is you are going to have your number cards. And you're going to turn over 3 cards. Voltea 3 cartas. All right, step 1, turn over 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Step 2, write the equation that you get. 2, escribe la ecuación. Step 2, write down the equation. Okay, I have my paper and I see the equation here. 8 plus 4, whoops, I forgot the plus. 8 plus 4 plus 2 equals something. 3, use your math tools to find the answer. 3, usa tus herramientas matemáticas para encontrar la respuesta. Step 3, use my math tools to find the answer. Now, I don't feel like using my 10 frame today, but you can if you want. I'm just going to try it like this. So I'm going to start out with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 2 more. 1, 2. Now I'm going to count them all together to figure out what the answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ooh, that's the answer. Now I'm going to write that answer down. 14. Step 4. Now, change the order of the numbers to make it easier. 4. Cambiar el orden de los números para que sea más fácil. Ooh, okay. Step 4, I need to change the order of these to make it easier. So I have to think, how could I move these to make them easier? And you know what I'm thinking? I'm remembering something. I'm remembering that 8 and 2, if you put those together, that makes 10. And adding anything to 10 is pretty easy. So I think I want to actually put the 2 next to the 10 so I can add those 2 first, because that's a pretty easy thing if I make 10 first. Step 5. Write the new equation. Now that you've changed the order, we have a new equation. Step 5. Escribe la nueva ecuación. Now I need to write down the new equation. 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals something. Step 6. Use your math tools, or maybe your fingers, or maybe just your brain to find the answer. Now that we've changed it, it's going to be easier. So if you can do it in your brain or in your fingers really easily, that's okay. Step 6. Usa tus herramientas matemáticas, tus dedos o solo tu cerebro para encontrar la respuesta. Now I already figured out that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I only have to add 4 more to that. So I can just keep counting up. And this time I'm going to try using my fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, I added 4 more. And I just started at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I got my answer. Wow, that was so much easier than using all of my math tools the whole time. That was really, really, really easy. Finally, okay. Step 7. You are going to repeat it at least 3 times. So you're going to go back to the beginning and do it again with 3 new cards. And then do it again with 3 new cards. And if you want, you can do even more than that. 7. Repite al menos 3 veces. Okay, now I need to repeat that 3 times. So I'm going to draw a number under. I'm going to draw a line under here. I'm going to go back to my math cards because it's time for me to keep using these, but I'm done with these. I'm going to put these out of the way. All right, here I go. Let's turn them over. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, okay, so I know my first step. Write down the equation. So I'm going to write down this equation. 7 plus 9 plus 1 equals something. Now I'm going to use my math tools to solve that. Let's try. Okay. I'm going to start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1. 1. Okay, let's see what my answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ooh, 17. Writing down my answer, 17. All right, but now I'm going to change the order. See if I can make it easier. I wonder if I added the 7 plus 1 first. 7 plus 1, that's 8. Then I would have to do 8 plus 9. That's still pretty big. I wonder if there's an easier way to do it. What if I did 9 plus 1 first? Oh my goodness, this is kind of like the other one. 9 plus 1 first, that makes 10. If I add anything to 10, that's super easy. Oh, that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to do the 9 plus 1 first, and then add the 7 to it, because I can do 7 plus 10. That's pretty simple. So now I'm writing down my new equation. 9 plus 1 plus 7 equals something. Now I already know 9 plus 1 is 10. Now I can keep counting up 7 more times and that's it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, that was so much easier than using all of those math tools. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one more time right under there. Now I'm actually not gonna do it, but you guys are. You are so ready. We would then move these to the side because we don't need those anymore. And then turn over 3 more cards and do it again. You need to do it at least 3 times, the whole thing. So we have 3 different equations, 3 different sets. 1, 2, 3. When you're done, you have to take a picture and then use the microphone and choose one and tell me about why that one was easier. For example, I might choose this one and I could say, this one was easier because I got 10 first, 9 plus 1 is 10, and then I added the 7, and it was really easy just to add 7 to 10. So don't forget, take a picture, choose one that you want to tell me about that you think was way easier, and use the microphone and tell me about it. I'm so excited to see all of your work.